Hey babe.
Yeah?
I know it's super last minute.
What?
But I totally forgot we're supposed to be going to a Star Wars party today. And I kind of told people that you would cook for it. So Mike,
Yeah.
what would you think about making some Star Wars themed food for me?
I guess we can. I mean, we got the cookbook, right?
Yeah, we've got the Galaxy's Edge cookbook. So,
What were you thinking?
well, I was definitely thinking a Ronto Wrap if it's a Galaxy's Edge cookbook.
Okay.
And then I
That's
saw a dessert that looked really good. Something about a Bespin Cloud something or other.
Okay, so how about I make the Ronto Wrap, you make the dessert?
Is there any other way? No.
I mean, I can
This
make
is
both.
the way.
This is the way, yeah. Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so you'll make the Ronto Wrap.
Yeah, I guess I can.
Now, are you gonna get like some naan, or are you gonna make it yourself?
Obviously, I'm gonna make it myself.
Okay.
Why would I buy naan? Naan! I don't have naan.
All right. Honey, you did such a great job on the Ronto Wraps.
I can't help myself. I just gotta be perfect all the time. Just
So.
kidding.
Ronto Wrap time.
Rontos and the wraps.
Clink.
Not gonna lie. It's pretty close.
Making our own naan.
Definitely the way to go. The only thing that's slightly different is that Disney sausage is a lot thinner.
Mm-hmm.
It's more like a hot dog, whereas this is more of a big, heavy pork sausage.
Super good. We'll definitely make sure that we put the link or the recipe. I'm not sure if we can find it online, but if not, I'll write it out in the description below.
Well, I kind of used a combination, so it wasn't the whole recipe that was in the book. I only used the bread recipe from the book.
So how did you make the slaw and stuff then?
I googled a recipe.
Sure.
Came up with another Disney fan page, and I liked all the ingredients, the look of it, so I figured, you know, I'm familiar with those products. Let's make that. A little bit of me, a little bit of the book, a little bit of someone else. It's fantastic though.
But these are fantastic, so I don't know, do you want to talk Star Wars since we're having a Star Wars theme party here? Are you excited to, oh, here we go. What are you, since, surprise, this was filmed a few days before May the 4th. Are you excited to watch Rise of Skywalker again?
Absolutely, yeah.
Today?
Today. I should have watched the first two this morning and then watched the third one tonight. But, you know, maybe I'll just binge watch them and stay up all night. Maybe this is the party. Maybe they'll have that at the party.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we'll just start watching the Rise of Skywalker at the party and or just binge watch them all.
Hope that sounds good to everybody else in the video. So good, we've taste tested the Ronto Wraps, so we will bring them with us.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go check on the clouds. We'll come back, and then we'll get ready to peace out to this party. Wow, honey, you changed clothes.
Yeah, I kind of got messy making those wraps. I got a little flour all over me.
Yeah, I had to take all my makeup off. It's the next day. So I finished the Bespin Puff Clouds. They look delicious.
They taste delicious. Grab that half.
Yeah.
Pull it.
Oh.
guess you're getting all the filling. I'm just getting the crap, the shell.
Here, I'll split that back with you.
Okay. Good. Just like cotton candy.
Especially how it like dissolves.
Okay.
Very cotton candy. I think that our internet friends will enjoy it. Maybe they will like the recipe and make it better than I did.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go pack up our food, bring it over to our friend's house, and have a little Star Wars party with Mary and Cameron and Kylie. And can't wait to see what they bring to this party, but I think it'll be fun.
It'll be fun.
And then it gives us new things to try as well. So.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to show them your new Funko Pop real quick?
Sure.
Since it's May the 4th, I got Mike a special Funko Pop.
In commemoration of May the 4th, we have Luke Skywalker backpacking Yoda during his training on Dagobah.
So let's go pack up our food, get ready to go, bring our stuff over.
Okay.
Got our bag full of stuff. Obviously had to use a Galaxy's Edge bag. We are here with our bag full of goodies. So, you ready?
Yep.
I know you're super antisocial, so
Yep.
have fun watching Star Wars while I talk with everybody else.
It's fine.
Knock.
Can she knock? Does she know how to knock? Knock a little louder.